10,000 tick trap. Pandas, pandas, pandas. I got broads in Atlanta, just in Dublin and Evander. Credit cards and the scammers. Good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Good morning. Hope everyone had an amazing Memorial Day weekend, pandas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed your extended weekend if you had one. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. One second. Sorry about that, pandas. Pandas, I am curious right now about you guys. Please let me know if you had a payment denied and what was the reason why it was denied. I'm very curious to see like what I like to have like a collection. Like it's very rare to have a place where everyone can tell everyone uh, what what reason they got denied, so they can see if it's bogus or not, or we can get together and kind of gather our data to see what Apex is doing behind the scenes, and we can have a little more exposure, a little more transparency in terms of what they're doing in terms of denying payouts. You know what I mean, Pandas? So let me know if you got a payment denied, and I would love to know what it is. And yeah, maybe I'll put like something out there. Bill says, Panda, I have to wait for profitability before I have to worry about profitability before worrying about denial of withdrawals. Let's go. That's for everyone. How true that is. Good morning, my Panda. Sorry, I had a couple phone calls I had to take. But good morning, everyone. Hope everyone had an amazing Memorial. My Memorial Day was good. Just chilled, relaxed, and celebrated the good old American way by eating some Thai food. Honestly, Memorial Day, I don't know what else to do other than maybe grill some hamburgers or something. I guess you can go around riding on your motorcycle. That's also something very popular. But, hey, I mean, Memorial Day is a good day. I mean, it is a day where you can remember all of the lives. Freedom ain't free. Freedom ain't free. Tate says, good morning, Sun Review. Let me say good morning, come on, Pins. Thomas Masters, good morning. Blacklight, welcome. What's up, Pandas and Italian Goombas? Joe Frank, do you need to get past 15K profits in order to request payout on the 250K? No, that is not true at all, sir. You need to get 600. The 15K profits is the goal for the eval. But when it comes to minimum you need for withdrawal, simple formula is this. It's your trailing threshold plus 100. That's how much you need in order to withdraw. That's the same for every account. So the trailing threshold for the 250K account is 6,500. So you need 6,500 plus 100. So 6,600 in order to withdraw. Avalon says, thoughts on having a 24-hour market? We was traders deserve to get screwed 24 hours, 7 days a week. We as traders deserve to get screwed. My thoughts on that? Yes. I don't know. JX, is he on mute? Yeah, I was on mute. Sorry. I was on a phone call. Bill 7, good morning, Panda. Scalp that like button. Amazing. Did I crush some panda dogs or panda burgers? No, I didn't. Hugh says, I put on my back-to-back undefeated World War champions. You're the two-time champion. You're basically Dr. Disrespect. We're basically Dr. Disrespect. Emmanuel, Grand Rising. Daniel Morodi, how much do you recommend leaving as threshold or should withdraw everything? Joe Frank, thank you, I understand. I would say well, first off, God bless America. Blessed to live in the greatest country ever to exist. I know. There's a lot of talk out there that America is not the greatest country. It's because you don't live here. You don't live here. And if you do, it's because you never lived anywhere else. Sorry if I'm being ignorant, but God bless America. Dan says, how do you recommend the threshold? Of course, it depends on what you want, but man, I'll say right now, take everything out. Just take everything out. These days, I think just to get to the payouts and having it approved, just take everything out. I think right now, at this time, it's like a little bit uncertain what Apex is up to. Just take it all out. JX says, I think consistency rule is weird, especially the account size. Some trades I have runners, some I don't. Yeah, I know. The consistency, the 30% consistency rule is not a hard and fast rule. So I'm sure if you have like one or two runners going and it really makes you go high, then they're not gonna care. The only problem is that they might care. So you gotta risk it. And so that's the unfortunate thing. You're just kind of like uncertain, which is what I hate. People keep saying that they are not going to vote that the US dollar as the world reserve currency. Then which one are you going to choose? Are you going to choose the Chinese yen? I don't think so. Oh, Daryl talked about having a runner? What do you say? What do you say? What did that guy say? What did Daryl in the bushes say? Daryl right now is acting like Schmiegel. He's basically Golem. And his Daryl dollars are his precious. I gotta watch that video. Was it the most recent one? Was it Daryl or John? Let me look it up. Jim talks to Gates as about his recent payout from Apex Trader Funding. Wait, what is this? What is wrong with this website? What is this? Why is the most recent video 1 month ago? What is this? This is not helpful. Usual trading plan, I see. It's just crazy because what is a usual trading plan? Like, what if your usual trading plan is like on choppy days, I like to trade one contract, but on trendy days, I like to trade 10 contracts. Like, on breakout trades, I like to trade two contracts, have one run. Like, what does that mean? What's a usual trading plan? Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, every scenario is different. This is what I hate. Like, no one out there trades like literally just the exact same contracts for every single setup. I don't know if people do that, but it's just like I don't know. I feel like every scenario is different. Like sometimes you feel more confident in a trade, and you say, "Okay, I want to trade more contracts because I'm more confident." Like I don't know. Like on Big Mama is like this. Like I like to trade a lot of contracts for setups like this, but on a second entry short like this, I don't like to trade as many contracts. It's like, come on, like what? It's just so many things to think about. The most wild one are bracket orders. That's just the most wild one. Daryl's in the bushes. Second to short. Hey, Pandas, we have news at 10 o'clock. It's not big news, but it is news. Consumer confidence. It's usually not, it doesn't really cause the market to move. But it's there as high impact news. Your big news this week is on Friday, but you have some decent news on Thursday as well. Trap trade. Break a trend new low. Maybe. Market just opened. Trap just triggered. Trap about to fail. Ooh, trap about to fail. Interesting. Uncertain. Market just opened. It just opened. It's a little uncertain here. Ooh, it's going sideways. Sitting on my pause here. Go back to the bottom trading range. A little bit uncertain right now. 10,000 tick trap. Curious. It's above the 20 MA. That's the problem. And we got many dojis in a row. I might as well play with limit orders here. Just go long instead. at the bottom of this. That's what I should be doing. Play the current market structure. Ooh. Where's the fun in that, Pandas? Where is the fun in that? Can someone tell me that? Where is the fun in that? I'll take this trap. It'll coincide. It's an inside bar on a 10K chart. What's going on here? It's a super tight triangle. No longer interested in this short. Most likely gonna go long. Most likely bullish here. Right. It's like entry long on the 10,000 tick now. Starting to form. Possible strong bull bar. 5-minute chart. Whoops. Oh, my NAS. That's right. The NASDAQ here. Sure, I'll keep it. You can see both the NAS and the Emini here. 5-minute. It's not the worst thing to have. Only problem is 5 is not enough. I think that's the main reason. Let me go for it. Let me do this. All right. Let me try this. Trading range looks like. Oh, also I gotta change this because it gets way too choppy. Sorry, parents. I'm gonna make a couple changes here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, 10,000 tick trap, huh? Above the 20 made though, that's the problem. 5-minute chart, trading range. 5-minute, the E-mini is on top. NAS is on the bottom. The NAS cracks on the bottom. Actually, NAS crack triggers the Big Mama here. Very interesting. Still to me looks like a triangle. Okay, failed trap on the 10,000 tick. Possibly. The 5-minute chart, straight up doji bar. Lawrence, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Thanks for joining the stream, Panda. Make sure you scalp that like button. Ooh, failed trap 10K chart. I gotta take it, Panda. I gotta do it. Oh, gold is exploding. Interesting. Gold is exploding. Oil is actually going up as well. I'll take the failed second entry short here. Jeez Louise. I'll take it. I'll do it. Watch this. Pretty much doji bar on the 5-minute chart. Uncertain, but possible trading range. Right, the 5-minute, basically, you have this trading range here where you have a breakdown and the breakout. Fail breakdown, breakout, right? Symmetry. It could come back down to fill the gap. I mean, that happens often. Wouldn't be surprised. It's actually a thing that you kind of expect at this point. Ooh, second entry short. Interesting. I don't know, Pandas. This is confusing to me. We have news at 10. We could just be chopping around until then. Very confusing. Very confusing. Ooh, short trade. Huh. Interesting. Okay. It might have chosen the direction to go short now. It might have chosen the direction to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart, right? There's a gap here on the 5-minute. Might be filling the gap. It makes sense. Makes sense to me. We're only like 3 points away, 4 points away from filling the gap. Strong bear bar ending on slow. 2 bear bars in a row now on 2000 tick. You could try to go always in short here. The best thing to do is wait for a small pullback. Maybe a one-legged pullback. A first entry here.
5-minute trap.
Curious. Okay. Here's my first entry if you want one. Here's the first entry if you want one. I like the 10,000 tick to close beneath the 20 MA. I would feel way more confident if it closed beneath the 20 MA here. I just don't know if it will though. That's the problem. I just don't know if it will, Panis. It just ticked off my retracement. It ticked off my... Okay, I'm in. Alright, that didn't work. Goodbye, $100. Nice knowing you, $100. Very cool. Very, very cool. I was trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute, but it just took me out right away. No remorse whatsoever either. Just did it. Didn't even care.
5-minute trap.
Five-minute, okay. We're shooting up. Interesting. Ooh. Ooh, trap trade here. Now I'm confused. I almost want to just trade with limit orders right now. And trade like somewhere here. At this point. News at 10. We can still fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. It's just unfortunate. I just got a little confused right there. Could be coming back to the top of the trading range. I mean, we're in a trading range right now. Huh. Okay. Fair. It's fair to go long here. Not to be like, to be honest, fair to go long there. It's fair. Fair to go along here. Right, bottom trading range back to the top of the trading range. It's fair in my opinion. I'm gonna try one more chance to go to the downside here on the second entry short. We're obviously at the bottom of a trading range, so this will be pretty much a breakout trade of some sort. In this trade, I could be punished for this like immediately, like really immediately. Just trying to fill the gap. Yeah, getting punished immediately here for that. Makes sense. I mean, we got support here. Yeah, took me out again. It's chopping me up. I should be going long down here, right? And trying to go long. And basically trying to go back to the top of the trading range. I'm getting just chopped up. It's merciless right now. Potential to have gone to fill the gap. But at the same time, potential to get chopped up. Should just sit on my pause here. But pandas, it's okay. It's okay, pandas. We got 6,500 in threshold on these funded accounts. We're doing just fine. It's only minus $200. It's okay, pandas. It's okay. News at 10 o'clock, pandas. Look at that. Tick shots me and then goes down. It would. It would do that, pandas. It would first want to tick shot me, then go straight down. That's the nature of the market. Welcome to trading, pandas. Literally tick shots me and then goes down. It is what it is. Goodness gracious.
5-minute trap.
Trying to fill the gap. It is what it is, pandas. What can you do other than watch? Tick shots me out, go straight down. It's just going to be one of those days, pandas. It's going to be one of those days. Can you believe it? Fills the gap on the 5-minute chart. As predicted, that's where I wanted my target. Yeah, now the tick shots are incredible. Yeah, at least I'm reading it somewhat correctly. That's my little consolation prize. At least I'm reading it correctly. It's just my stop loss was too small. My stop loss should have been up here. Stop loss was too small. It should have been up here. You didn't hear anything. There was nothing to be heard. You didn't hear anything. Bottom of the trading range, perhaps? Strong bear bars on the Nas crack. Man, I missed the move because I got tick shotted. It's absolutely incredible. This is what I was expecting to happen. Tick shots me, then goes down. I go short here to try to capture this move. Gotta tick shot me out. It's gotta do the worst thing ever. Shot right in the tick. Interesting. Trap trade, interesting. Have we decided a direction yet? That's the question. I could try. It's a bad trade, but you know me. I love bad trades. Bouncing off the 20 EMA, filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. But still trading range on the 5-minute, in my opinion. This is starting to get sideways. Getting choppy again. Again, news at 10. So we might not make that big of a move until then. We'll see though. We shall see. Doji bar just shows choppiness right now. Bill 7, green is green. Congratulations. It feels nice coming out of a hole. It feels like you've been resurrected, given a new life. Only need 700 to pass? Ooh, so close. Like, I'm going to make you a soundbite with the Wii Sports voice saying, shot in the tick. Please, send it to me on Discord. I would love to hear it. I'm going to play it. I'm going to have it. I'm going to make a meme, too. Was it South Park when they were shooting everyone? Like, they're shooting everyone basically in the crotch. Was that South Park? That's South Park, isn't it? I remember there was an episode where like someone was like shooting everyone in the groin, basically. Butters, that's right. Again, getting tick shotted in and then getting tick shotted out probably here. I need a meme of that. I need a meme. It's been too long. Why haven't I made that meme yet? I gotta have it. How do you remember that? Jeez, are you like a savant? A South Park savant? I'm a savant. I'm a savant, but I just don't have any like special abilities. I'm a savant panda. All right, I mean super choppy. No reason to be in this short, but it is what it is. Absolutely no reason to be in this short right now. It's going completely sideways. Absolutely no reason to be in a trade right now, to be honest. This is gonna get me, huh? I'm getting chopped up. I'm getting chopped up, diced up, julienne, whatever. Yikes. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. That's what I'm experiencing right now. It's basically an inside bar 10K chart. Right? Inside bar, OI pattern. Wherever side it breaks is what you want. It's all good. I could be taken out here. I don't mind. Either way. The risk is so small. It's okay. Okay, pushing down now. We broke to the bottom. Downside of the inside bar on 10K chart. It's good news for us. If you're in this trade as well. You have a definitive stop loss here though. Oh wow. Oh wow. Goodbye.
10,000 tick trap.
I'm getting chopped both ways right now. I'm still in this trade. I don't know why. There we go. I'm getting chopped up both ways, pandas. I mean, that inside bar, the outside bar, OIO pattern. I mean, it's brutal. It's brutal. I'm going to sit on my pause for a little bit. Wait for this chop to calm down a little. Give me one good trade. I'll make up all this. I'll make it all up. Give me one good trade. I'll make it all up. Tick shots me out of the trade. Pandas. Yeah. Getting tick shotted everywhere. It's actually kind of crazy how bad I'm getting tick shotted. It's one of those days you enter on your stop loss. You know what I mean, pandas? Like, imagine you enter the trade and you just put the trade on the other side of the stop loss. That's what you're trying to do today. That's the kind of day it has been. It should have been. I should have been trading that way, huh? Second entry short. Triggers. Goodness gracious. If I were to do what I was thinking, then I gotta wait till the market comes back up here and go short. Second entry short. Looks good now. I'm being getting tick shotted. That's the second tick shot. Maybe even third tick shot if you consider this a tick shot, but not really. It went a little bit higher. You can't really call that a tick shot. It's one of those days you enter on your stop loss. So my stop loss would be up here. My stop loss would be up here. If I were to enter this short, my stop loss would be up here. So I would take my short at the tick shot area, right? I'll get tick shotted here. I'll take a short here. Or I'll take my short here. This is where I'll get tick shotted essentially. And it doesn't go. It tick shots me and then goes down. Jeez. Pandas. What's going on? That's brutal. That's brutal. Another tick shot. That's actually so brutal. It is what it is, though. News in 4 minutes. It's consumer confidence. Typically doesn't have big movement. Typically. But we'll see. I keep getting the direction right, but the timing off. I almost want to take a reversal off Big Mama down here. Like, I actually want to go long at the bottom of this bar. Will news be big? Probably not. Most likely not. By the way, pandas, if you want to know what news I think will be big or not, go to the Discord in the description. Right, join the Discord, and there is a channel called Trading News, and I highlight the news in the next in the next 2 weeks, in the upcoming 2 weeks, showing which news I think will be big enough to make or break your accounts. 15 seconds till news, though. I mean, the news might be big, but usually not. Usually not. Your big news will be most likely Friday. Friday, you have big news. All right, news is dropped. Just chopping around a little bit here. Very cool. Very cool chop. Just watching. It did absolutely nothing to news. It just entered more chop. Absolutely incredible. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Don't know if it means much. I want to find a reversal off the previous day's low here. I really want to find a reversal here. We've had 5 bear bars though currently on the 5-minute chart. Right, 5 bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Got a lower high on NAS. A lower high on NAS, huh? Maybe second entry short on NAS might be forming. Gold is dropping now. So choppy. I don't know. Panis. Let me know if you've been denied a payout. If you've been denied a payout, please let me know why. Too choppy. Too choppy. Look at that.
$10,000 tick trap.
Black asks, I got a YL question for y'all. Are you toilet paper scrunchers or folders? Who in the world scrunches their toilet paper? What does that even look like? I'm a folder for sure. I fold it like 10 times. I maximize like until the toilet paper is about a square inch. I like break like physics by folding it like 10 times. It's like perfectly laminated, like a chocolate croissant. Tate. Demolition Man, easiest quote of all time. Do you remember what restaurant was in Demolition Man? What survived? Do you remember the restaurant of the future? In Demolition Man? Yeah, Taco Bell. What happened to Wesley Snipes? Honestly, thought Blade was so good. All right, after one person gets it right, there's no point of like you guys saying all the right answers afterwards. Taco Hell. Tax evasion? I, I'm telling you, if you guys are not LLC'd, if you're not LLC'd, be LLC so you can start expensing things. Right? If you have gains, you want to be able to expense your payments and stuff. You want to expense
10,000
anything
tip
that you
trap.
can that you spent basically. For instance, your fees, right? You can expense all of that. This is wacky, pandas. This price action is all wacky. Super wacky. I don't know. Second entry long. Maybe a decent trade. Find some symmetry here. Outside bar reversal. I'd rather not. I'd rather not here. No, thank you. No, thank you. I mean, an outside bar. It looks a little bullish. What can I say? It looks a little bullish. I don't know what's happened to pandas. What's happening right now, man? This is crazy.
10,000 tick trap.
Ten doesn't take charge, making a play off the inside bar here.
Five-minute trap.
Another outside bar? Jeez Louise. It's one of those ones I got double up here actually. It's like getting burned.
Five-minute trap. Give me the 1-to-1 here.
don't know if I want to stick around and find out here.
Target filled.
I don't know. I don't know, pandas. This is hard to read for me. Don't know what direction we're going right now. I really don't think it's gonna push down that much further. It's too choppy. It's been a little too choppy for me. It's a little too choppy for me. Oh, Nas made a second entry short. Now trap trade, huh? I'll try this. Maybe I could try a Nas trade for once. How crazy is this right now? I'm thinking a Nas trade. Oh, you can't see him. You can only see him one at a time. That's crazy. Taking this trade here. All right. Wow. You can only see one at a time. That's the problem right now. Nas trade. Oh wow! Look at this. Look at this risk. It's actually crazy. The risk is so crazy on the Nas. It's nasty. The Nasdaq is nasty. Am I the first person in the world to ever say that? The Nasdaq is nasty. Please don't tell me I'm the first person to ever say that. It's just like, it's a given. The Nas is nasty. Wow. I'm getting chopped up. I'm getting on here. It's big risk too. Outside bar reversal on the NASD. I think my stop loss is proper here. I think at that point you can pretty much say this trade is bad. I was trying to play this trading range here. You know what? I'm not copying my NAS trade. Interesting. Didn't think about that. Makes sense. Well, you know what? It's better to lose at just one than all of them, huh? You see him come up break even on NAS. I didn't realize I wasn't copying it. I didn't have a copier for the NASD. The NAS crack. The NAS crack is nasty.
$10,000 tick trap.
Whoa, did it take me out? Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm done for today, pandas. I'm done for today. That's crazy. That's crazy. The nasty. That's crazy, pandas. I'm done. I'm done. It's just chopping me up. It's literally the definition of chop. Ah, I got tick shotted like crazy right there, pandas. What do I do? I think I'm just gonna chill. I've literally got the tick shotted like 5 times today. On outside, just a bunch of outside bars. The NASD was nasty. NASCrack was nasty.
5-minute trap.
I have zero confidence to trade right now. Pandas, I don't know what's going on. I'm down 1,000. What do I do? I mean, I gotta do what I normally do. Going short here. I'm gonna trade this. Trading range now. You heard the screenshot? Have I ever drank Lagavulin? Yes. It's actually really good.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pettis, I have no idea what's happening. I do not know how to trade this market. I got chopped up. I'm like actually self-admitted got chopped up today.
Five-minute trap.
Oh, I pattern right now. Ah, everything in me says go long right now. Jeez. Didn't quite get to my level before pushing back down. Why is Apex being so sus now? You know what? I think what's happening is that they have this apparent new team that's like supposed to figure out everyone's, payout situation and everything. So it might be like going through some of their learning curves and things like that. Apparently they hired an entire team just to do that. So did they ever post a video of the scammer stuff? I'm actually curious. I'm like curious what creative ways people are scamming Apex. And then maybe they're not posting it because when they actually look at what they're doing, they're like, it's actually not that sus. There's a wacky price action right now, pandas. It's a Wacky things going on. I think that's it. I can't trade this. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. OCO ID cannot be reused. Does anyone know what that means? Are you programming something, or you get an error? It's not like buy with the PA account. OCO ID cannot be reused. Probably has something wrong with like I have no idea. You can look it up. Google it. Not sure. Alright, Pans, I'll see you guys bright and late tomorrow. Actually tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow I should be available. I'll see you guys bright tomorrow, 9 o'clock for pre-market, 9:15 mainstream. Sorry, Pandas. I mean, today's just been terrible. What can I say? You can only take what the market gives you, and the market just gave us a bunch of traps today. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your trading. Trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.